meant to go a little farther on that. How's it going today, guys? Welcome back to another moto vlog. We're out riding again, just enjoying every single day that I can possibly get, because you usually don't get this in Saskatchewan anymore. It's ridiculous. Snow usually sucks. So snow's hard, but I mean, there's like this, soft as hell. So like I could go down into here and probably wheelie this whole section. Obviously like this lip and everything harder than hell, but like at the bottom, pure powder. So we'll do some wheelies and mess around like we always do. So let's get to it. Like I said before too, I'm not like dead set on the finger throttle. I've been using it for, this is my second ride for it now, or with it, and it's See, like, snow's deep, it's a little hard, but that isn't, that's all pure pow. I really need to get a new ski. Looks like cat claws. Little tangent off snowmobiling really quick. That is 100% a cat claw. Huh. Hopefully it's a big cat, not like a little kitty out here somewhere. That'd be kind of sad. Nearest farm is way over there. Anyways, let's whee! But yeah, this is pow, all of it. This whole stretch, all down in this bottom. Like that's some deep pow. It's not like deep, but in comparison to what we've had for the last few years, this is amazing. And I know a lot of Midwest guys can agree. Holy, I need a new ski and carbide on this side. Okay. See, like this is, I'm running board deep here, which is not bad at all. Hopefully the GoPro's good still. Hopefully I didn't just smudge the shit out of it there. Well, let's go see if there's anything more soft in here. I gotta be careful, there's a little bit like fence posts and shit in here, but I bet you that is straight soft. We'll come in this way and then kind of come out this way. See, there's shit in the ground. Wasn't long enough. Holy shit, that's all soft. Let's try something here. I did not know that was soft. That is awesome. Woo! And up on the hard stuff again. Please don't break through here, that would be a shitty stuck. Oh, jumpy. Yeah, this is hard, that's for sure. But yeah, see, like there's fencing stuff in here. Woo! Stuck in my own bomb hole. See, that ski just sucks. It hits up, and instead of going up and on top of the snow like it should, it likes to go like that and hit against it. It's brutal. Oh, I'm gonna have to hit this one some oomph. It's actually a little soft there, surprisingly. Oh, those are some big lips. If only they weren't hard, they'd be cool to, like, if some more powder was here, learn some reentries and bow ties and shit, but not rock hard. Oh. I meant to go a little farther on that. Holy shit. Well, that's soft. I'm seeing stars a little bit. Wow. I didn't even like ring my crap that hard. Yeah, it's pretty hard. Oh yeah, that was beautiful. I just didn't want to smack that thing. Just try it a little farther over this way so I don't feel like I'm gonna hit that. Maybe not as clean as the last time. Never works as good as the second time, or the first time. Getting a bit better at those re-entries. Oh! Oh yeah, that's pretty deep there. Okay, I'm gonna check my GoPro real quick. Alrighty, we'll cruise around for a little bit longer. Oh shit, there's a fence here. I should probably not go there. Well, I'm glad that ski somewhat reacts okay when I'm on my side. Hello, Kappa. Oh, that felt kind of rough. Woo! That was clean. Oh, yeah, I had to drop an F-bomb in there. That was awesome. That was tight. Tight, 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 tight.
Tight, 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 yeah!
I was gonna go up there, but then there's like literally nowhere to go out, I don't think. Yeah, I would have to try to come down through the bush there. Oh, I was kind of hoping that was soft. I could have wheelied out of this. Oh well. Oh, some poop. Oh there. Okay, I think I'm done for this area for a little bit. Sorry if I'm not as talkative today. Just kind of enjoying the ride a little bit. Oh, you're getting pulled over. Oh, no, never mind. Oh, I got a little ravine hop. Oh, my hand's getting a little tired, I'll be honest. Damn finger throttle. Oh, what? I wonder what this is for. Oh, it's definitely a pipeline. That was a nice field to cruise around in. No. Alrighty, well, I just recorded a bit and then forgot to restart my GoPro, so.
Alrighty, I'm back home now in my office. I totally forgot to record an outro, but that's okay because I wanted to talk about doing a giveaway at 500 subs, just as an appreciation. Nothing too crazy, maybe just like a pair of goggles and a custom jersey or something like that, but I do want to show appreciation for all the subs that I've been getting lately. I really do appreciate it, but I hope you guys enjoyed that one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you later.